we are going to the solve this problem with the optimized way. Optimize. Okay. What I am telling about the what will be the approach of the its. Firstly, we are going to the find out the every element of the nums to array. What will be the maximum value of the one here, and after that we are going to the find out the three, and similarly and so on of the every element and when these nums one are going to the going to the find out what will be the greatest element of the four. This simply do not go through the nums 2. This go through the query about the maps, and with the help of the maps it's give the or it's give that what will be the value of. So before solving solving the too much and these things, we are just focusing on that. If we are going to the create it a function that will go to just take the one array and return the return the next greatest element of the its here. So we take it the this element and we are going to the let's commit here const. Okay, function. We are going to the create a function name that is the next greatest element, and next and this will take the nums 2. Okay, this function do one things that what we this will find out every element of the next largest value. Here the one of what will be the next greater element. Here the 1, for the 1 it will going to find out the 3, for the 3 it will going to the find out the 4, and what will be the 4, it will there is nothing so in this place it will return find out the we are going to the put assign the value of the -1, and again there is 2 at that point of the time. So again we are going to the assign it -1. For this we are going to the traverse it one by one every element of the its, and start from the indexing 0 I equal to less than nums 2 dot length I plus plus. Okay, here for the finding the next greatest element we are going to the help of the monolithic and take the help how we are going to the assign the stack in the JavaScript. Just we take it the array that is all the things. There is no any stack class in the JavaScript. And what about the mapping? How we are going to initialize const map equal to new map. Just okay. See, in the stack there are two things. Step 1, pop. The other two operation, pop and push. Pop and push. Okay. In this also we are going to the do the same things. Where we are going to the perform the push, and where we are going to the perform pop. See, see one by one. Here we put the here in the stack we are going to the put 1. After that we are going to the put it the 3. See, the value that is in the stack 1 already, and there we are going to the start putting the 3. Compare it. If the that element is the greater than the element that is the present in the stack, and the element we are the current standing, that element is greater than, then at that point of the time we are going to the pop it. It means that pop when nums 2 I greater than top top of stack. This is the scenario. And when we are going to the push it, we are going to the push it of top of the stack is greater than nums 2 I. This is the simple. Okay. Okay. While stack dot length greater than 0 and nums 2 I greater than stack dot how we are going to the find out the top of the element. First stack dot length minus 1. If this is the happen, we are going to the pop it. Just we are not we are going to pop it. We are not only going to the pop it, we also are going to assign it with the map. At that there is a operation map dot set, and we are going to the map here. Which one is the greater? Which one is the greater? That is the nums 2I, which that is the greater. And we are going to the pop it stack dot pop. And what is the next greatest element? That is the nums 2I. This one is the greatest element happen. Otherwise stack dot push, we are going to the push it. That is the nums 2I. Simply. Okay. After all the things is the happen, we are if all the things is happen, there is in at the end there is anything present in the stack. At that point we are going to the check it. Stack dot length is the greater than 0. It means that there is there are the some element that is the present it at that point of the time. Set stack pop it, and pop, we are going to the pop it at that point of the time, so we are going to assign it -1. And at the end of the return, we are going to the return map, and here we call the function dot log next greatest element. Okay. See, undefined here next greatest element. Here it should give the 3 stack dot length. Okay, here 5 we are do the pop. Okay, now here we find out the greatest element. The same thing, just we are going to the copy it the same things, and now we are going to the we are going to the paste it here. Again, now it will take the two things. Here nums 1, take the nums 1 and nums 2. Okay, and here we are going to the return answer. Okay, so how we are going to rate answer equal to array, and that and it start from the 0. Okay, everything is the fine. Now we are start reversing in the second in the first element. Everything is the first element nums 1 dot length and I plus 1, and okay, we are going to the search it that this number, this value is the okay, this element is the present or not in. Okay, this is the present and not, and what will the its value. So that value nums map dot get we are going to the assign map dot get, and we are passing it nums 1 I, and after that the it will be the present there, and we are going to the we are going to the store it k value, and at the end after store it we are going to the increase it, and at the end we are going to the return it answer. Let's run these things. Okay, and submit it. All the test cases is the passes. See what I have done in this program. In this program there it's given the two nums. A function take the two array, but firstly I take the I take the second array and find out the every we start the reversing of the every element and find out the next greatest element. These things is the happen, and that things I go to store in the next greatest element of the every element I store in the map. Okay, after doing this we increase the nums 1 in the array, and we start traversing it, and one by one element, so we are going to the find it that this value is the present in the map. If this value is the present, then we find out the greatest next greatest element of the its, and that is the stores in the map, and we find out we are going to we find it, and the value that is the comes out, we are going to the store in the another array, having the name answer, and after putting that value we are going to the increase the indexing of the answer, and at the end of the its we are going to the return it the answer. That is the all the things I I have done in this.